Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Classroom. This gives you direct control over a class. Once done, choose an existing class or create a new one and enter basic course details like name, section, room, and grading scheme so settings apply consistently. Make sure to check your role, teacher versus co-teacher, because permissions change what you can modify. These steps save time later and prevent mismatches between grade settings and assignment defaults. Now customize the class settings. Click the gear icon to change theme, class avatar, and enable or disable Guardian summaries. You should adjust permissions, who can post or comment, because classroom culture starts here. Next, organize content by creating topics and grading categories. Set default point values and assignment types so grading is consistent. Once these are configured, your stream and classwork tabs behave predictably and reduce repetitive edits later. Finish by previewing the class as a student to verify materials, due dates, and submission flow. This helps you catch visibility issues. Publish announcements, schedule assignments, and attach Drive folders or external links so resources are centralized. Make sure to sync grade settings with your gradebook. If something breaks, first clear your browser cache or test in an incognito window, and then confirm you're using the correct Google account and have teacher permissions. That resolves most access and display problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.